Hey y'all, it's me CK and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. If you would like to see how I created this beautiful set, then stay tuned. Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but here I am uploading the video. So this is a video of me doing some birthday nails for myself. My birthday was March 3rd in Pisces gang. I turned 27. So yeah, I just wanted to do something nice for myself or whatever. This was not my original desired look, but Amazon didn't deliver my square taper nails in time. They ordered them literally after I got done with this set. Pissed wasn't even the word, y'all. But as you can see, I'm going in and just cutting my nails to my desired length. And then I am going to just match them up with the other nails and measure them that way so the sizes can be accurate. So I'm just going to speed this part up. So now that my nails are prepped, I'm gonna go in with a thin layer of my base coat, which I will cure for 30 seconds. I'm gonna speed this part up as well. Okay, y'all, so this is the comical part about this video. So I go in with three colors, which is white hot, B160, even though I know it shows 161, but as y'all can see, I will paint the nail and see that it's not my desired color. I'm looking for a more pinkish nude, which I will apply to all of the nails except for the ring finger. The ring finger will have the white hot, and then I'm gonna go in with the I think it's called Golden Opportunities from ASP, and put that as a shimmery for the pointy finger and for the like the bedding, the nail bed of the French tip. Oh, as well as it's only going to be one coat of the nude color, which is going to be cured for 30 seconds, and then two coats of the white. And the white nail will be my sugar nail, as you can tell now. So, y'all, this is another funny part. So what had happened was I'm still perfecting the French tip, but you're gonna see me go in with this super stiff brush. Don't laugh at me. I forgot to put it in acetone first to loosen it up, since I did take it fresh out the pack. And you're gonna horribly see me attempt a V, like try to make a V cut French tip, but then I get frustrated and eventually just go in and do a regular French tip and try to perfect it as much as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this part up. Okay, y'all. So now that I've done everything, I'm gonna go in with some bling on the pinky, and then I'm gonna add some numbers to the middle fingers. On one hand is gonna have a 19, and then on the other hand is gonna have a 95, because that's the year that I was born in. So it's gonna say 1995. but but yeah. And then with the pinky nail, I cure that for, I believe 90 seconds, just so I can make sure that the stones stick very well. And then after that, I'm gonna go in and refile everything to make everything super crisp. And then I think that's all that I do afterwards. Oh, and then I top coat it, which I do that, I believe, either for 60 or 90 seconds. I really don't remember, y'all, but yeah. And this is the end result, y'all. I hope y'all like them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And follow me on Instagram. I am taking orders. Bye.